Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. Today, we will learn the top 10 verbs in spoken Spanish and why it is important to memorize the top 50 verbs to learn Spanish faster. Vamos a iniciar. Let's get started. Spanish tip number 7. Memorize the top 50 verbs most commonly used in spoken Spanish. If words are the fundamental building blocks of a language, verbs are the engine that moves things forward with actions. By focusing on the top 50 verbs most commonly used in spoken Spanish, you will be able to create useful sentences for everyday life by applying the 80-20 principle to learn Spanish faster. To avoid making this video too long, I will only include the top 10 verbs in spoken Spanish. At the end, I will share a resource where you can get the list of the top 50 verbs in spoken Spanish. Now, here's a short list of the top 10 verbs in spoken Spanish to help you get started. The first one is estar, which translates as to be when it is used to talk about temporary characteristics. Estar. Next, we have ser, which also translates as to be, but it is used to talk about permanent characteristics. Ser. Next, we have the verb ir, which means to go. Ir. Next, we have tener, which means to have. Tener. Next, we have the verb haber, which also means to have, but it is used as an auxiliary verb for conjugations. Haber. An example is, I have walked. Yo he caminado. That's haber. Next, we have the verb querer, to want. Querer. Next, we have poder, which translates as to be able to. Poder. An example of this is, I can talk. Yo puedo hablar. That's poder. Next, we have hacer, which means to do. Hacer. The next one is saber, which means to know. Knowledge or information, not to know people, but to know something. Saber. Next on the list, we have ver, which means to see. Ver. If you want to learn Spanish faster, click the video on your screen right now where you can learn useful tips to learn Spanish fast and find a resource with a cheat sheet that includes the top 50 verbs in spoken Spanish. Go ahead and click on the video so you can continue learning Spanish.